How to install Skyglass on Firestick. So to be able to install Skyglass on Firestick, first and foremost, set up your Firestick. Connect your Firestick to your TV to your Wi-Fi. Now access the App Store and install Sky Official app. So open the Amazon App Store. So to do that, from your Firestick's home screen, navigate to the search icon and type Sky into the search bar. Now locate the official Sky app, such as Sky Go or Sky Q, depending on available options in your region. Now select the app and click on download or install. Now wait for the installation to complete. And once installed, the app will appear on your Firestick's home screen under your apps and channels. Now log into your Sky account. So launch the Sky app. So to do that, go ahead and open the app. And then go ahead and input your Sky ID or email and password associated with your Sky subscription. You might be prompted to verify your login via email or SMS. Now, after logging in, you may need to choose your region or content preferences. Now, you can go ahead and proceed on accessing Skyglass content. And that is how you can basically install Skyglass on Firestick.